Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add an HTML code in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to add your HTML code on. This is my website, and let's say that I want to add an HTML code below this block, or let's add it above this welcome to my section. So I will delete this, and so then I will select the section above it and click on embed. Make sure to switch from by URL to embed code. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Make sure to switch from by URL to embed code, and here I will ask ChatGPT to write me a simple HTML code that I can use in my tutorial. This is the HTML code that I will use. Go back to Google Sites, paste the HTML code here, click on next. As you see, click on insert, and let's resize it like this. As you see, this is a custom HTML block added directly to Google Sites. Don't forget to hit the publish button to publish this HTML code. Let's view the HTML code live. And this is the HTML code. Hello Google Sites. This is a custom visit, and this button, it uses HTML. And this is how to add an HTML code in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.